Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial we're going to be looking at the feature called Seamless Patterns version 2. Now there is actually a version number 1 which is preset templates you can use and you can select like so, okay, but on for this particular tutorial I'm going to be showing you Seamless Pattern version 2. Now in order to find this feature, first if you begin within the dashboard you need to select Create Design. Once you select Create Design, we're going to be using the Fast AI Image Designer. Once you select the Fast AI Image Designer, you will see automatically the tab that's illuminated here is the AI Image Designer version 6. Now under step 1, it's going to ask you to select a category. Now within this category, you're going to go across until you find Seamless Patterns version number 2. Now, when it comes to a Seamless Patterns version number 2, you're going to have the ability where you can enhance a prompt, and you also have that ability to edit the prompt. Now, as a rule of thumb, it will always require you to start off when creating the prompt for the purposes of the AI, a seamless pattern off. So that's already automatically going to be inserted for you. Okay, so you can see that's even faded. If I delete it, if I come back, you can see that's already there for me. So this is a really important part for the prompt, just to make sure the AI understands and it actually goes and builds out that seamless pattern. Now, in order to get the perfect result, if you've got some great examples, another method you can use, if you have ideas, you can obviously use Mirror Magic, or you could use ChatGPT to also come up with some beautiful prompts when it comes to seamless patterns. So with these patterns, not only can they be designed, but remember we have that beautiful aspect of perfect text and image design. So you can incorporate elements of text within your design. So it's completely up to you. If you want it to be simple, okay, without any kind of text, you can do so. So let me show you what that would look like. Okay, so let's have a look. Let me show you a prompt here. So if I just add this, a seamless pattern of kawaii style cats and paw prints in pastel colors. Now I'm going to go select generate image, and it should ideally then redirect me to the personal design section. Now while that's happening, I would probably like to go and create one more just to demonstrate, its capability. So we've got quite a few examples, and that was fairly quick. So this was a pattern of different style cats and paw prints in pastel colors. And you can see, look how beautiful that looks. Now, that is actually a seamless design, and we're going to test that also in just a moment. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to come back to the seamless pattern version number 2, and we're going to go ahead and add another example. Okay, and all of these prompts were actually built with using ChatGPT. So I'm going to select generate image, and we'll create another one. Now, what I'm going to do for the third version, okay, so I've got 2 designs, but I really want to demonstrate the powerful capabilities of this brand new feature. What we're going to do, and look at that, that's come out straight away. So a seamless pattern of geometric shapes, circles, triangles, and squares in bold primary colors. So that's beautifully come out, and I'm going to do one last one, but for this one, seamless pattern designs, let's go ahead and paste. This one will be a seamless pattern of the word smile in bright yellow lettering paired with cheerful sun icons. So I'm going to go ahead and select generate image. Okay, so just be careful you don't keep pressing it more than once, otherwise you'll get that warning popping up, but that's fine. So what we're going to do, just give that a few moments to start processing, generating that design, and there we go, smile. Okay, now interestingly enough, there is an app, okay, and I'm going to bring this across. Okay, there's an app here, look, it's called Pattern AI Seamless Checker. Now with this app, okay, Pattern AI Seamless Checker, you can actually drag and drop. So let me show you what that will look like. Okay, let's find it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag and drop it. So I'm going to take that image, I'm going to drag it into the checker, and I'll bring that across so I can show you. So there we go. Okay, so this is the checker. It's called Patterned AI Seamless Checker, and you can see how that's going to appear. Okay, so if I zoom in and out, you can see that seamless aspect all the way. And it's a really good way of actually checking to make sure everything is correct. Now, if I go back actually and I move this across, okay, and what we'll do, we get another one. So this will test the pattern as well. I'll get this one, I'll drag that across, and I'll bring that screen back there, okay, and you can see how beautiful does that look if I scroll out. Okay, so it's very smart, sophisticated how it works. You can see every line essentially is identical. It's a seamless pattern with the placement of the figures. Okay, and if I scroll out, you can see that's how it look all the way close. Beautiful. And if we go back, let's do one more, and let's get the geometric shapes, bring that across, there we go, and that's a beautiful design. Check that out. Okay, now what I'm going to do, if I scroll down, should have some other examples also. So a nice mix where you can have you know, coffee and a coffee style breakfast seamless pattern. You've got coffee cups, beans, croissants. We've got also a beautiful here seamless pattern of abstract brush strokes in neon colors on a black background. Here we have a text also embedded, hello, in playful bubble letters. And we have, look, here's another one, seamless design. And you've got this beautiful one. So just imagine, you know, you could, if you were creating wrapping paper or any kind of covering, or maybe you want to put this onto clothing or merchandise or garments, you could just imagine the possibilities of this. So especially with that beautiful, powerful, perfect text also that's embedded into the seamless designs. Okay, look at that, stay creative. Really simple design prompt there. And with the assistance also with ChatGPT, so it makes life a lot easier. So so in this demonstration, we went to the AI image designer, seamless patterns, and we just put in a prompt of what we're trying to create. It could be anything, and then we go and we get our beautiful examples. And just remember, even with these ones, like seamless patterns, if you want to still revert to these, you can, where they're already done for you. Okay, so any one that you like, you can select it, and you can, you know, edit it or you know, refine it or make adjustments to it until you get the best design that you're looking for. Okay, so this was seamless pattern version 2, and you can see how simple and how powerful it is, especially with that aspect of putting perfect text also into the seamless design. So hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I shall see you in another video.